Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me intro myself. I am Muhammad Hanif Hakim, kelas 005, and study program Ilmu Komunikasi Skin, and I want to do my second English exam.
Can you introduce yourself briefly?
Okay, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Safira Shakti. I am a lecturer of photography and videography, communication major.
What are you currently studying or working on?
I was a lecturer in Pamulang University for now.
What skill do you have that make you confident in this field?
The skill. Okay, my name is Safira Shakti, and I am a lecturer of communication major.
What are you currently studying or working on?
I am a lecturer of communication major as subjects of photography and videography.
What skill do you have that make you confident in this field?
The skill I have is illustrating, drawing, and sometimes I would like to know about public speaking or something related.
Can you describe one project or experience you are most proud of?
When I was taking my major grade, I was designing a favorite character like from virtual YouTuber, and I really proud of my project.
Why did you choose major?
Why I choose this job? Because I have no choice actually, and this is my first experience as a lecturer. So why don't I take it?
What inspires you to keep learning and improving yourself?
Something I inspired on is what is it?
What do you think is your biggest thing?
Wait a minute, tak dulu motivation.
Describe one project or experience you are most proud of.
When I was major, I was working on virtual YouTuber character, and I really proud of my project. Yeah.
Why did you choose major?
Yeah, because I have no choice, and I would like to take this as my first experience in job, in any job, I guess. Yeah.
What inspires you to keep learning and improving yourself?
What inspires me? Actually, any motivator can inspire me. Depends on my mood, actually. Yeah.
What do you think is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is what is my biggest strength? I don't know, but my biggest strength is braveness and self-confidence. Period.
What on weakness you are currently trying to improve?
My weakness to try to improve is how I talk like this, speaking English like this, or public speaking. I would like to to improve my skill on it.
Ya, mungkin segitu aja, Miss.
Maybe the second assignment will only be for 5 minutes first. Maybe I will do the rest again before the final exam. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.